hot out. Super hot out. So I have the best dish for that. Let's just go ahead and make Peruvian ceviche. All right, so this is actually a very simple dish. But to get it right, you just have a couple techniques that you have to know to make the ceviche just be amazing. In the United States, I get that question a lot, what fish do I use? You can use halibut, which is probably the best, but it's super expensive. If you go down from there, you can use grouper, you can use white sea bass, you can use what we're using today, petralis sole, which is just a smaller fish. If you're in the East Coast, you can use fluke. It's also an expensive fish, and you can go down that way. We're gonna put it on the heat medium for about 10-15 minutes. We are definitely not making soup, so let's not go crazy and make it boil and leave it there for an hour and season it. It's just literally gonna be there for like 10-15 minutes. Let that water grab some flavor and we're done. So the proper way to cut a lime for ceviche or for most foods. The main thing about a lime is the bitterness of the core. So what's the core? All that white stuff inside, right? So the way we cut this is one slice down, one an angle, one an angle, and we keep the core. When we squeeze limes for ceviche, it's by hand. Do not use the machine or any of the hand machines because that literally squeezes the core and it squeezes out all of it. done. We made an incredible ceviche. Sweet potatoes are so soft, so sweet, amazing. Fish is perfectly balanced, marinated with the salt. Ceviche is meant to eat with a spoon. That hard work of that leche tigre that you just made should not be just sitting on the plate. Go ahead, pick it up. Eat it. The acidity is amazing. But with that being said, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.